Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will guide you business verification request. You have tried many methods, but your business verification request has not been accepted, or you do not know how to verify your business to enjoy the benefits that verified business accounts provide. That's also why Master the Meta made this video. Let's solve this problem together. This method can verify businesses that are unverified or have failed verification. First, you need to prepare a photo of your business registration information. Please go to the comments or description to access the link to the extension. Next, download the extension. Next, go to your browser's extension manager. Once in the extension manager, enable developer mode. Next, open the file you just downloaded. Right-click on the extension and select Winrar, then select Extract here. Wait a moment, a utility file and a file containing the text I have prepared for you will appear. Add extension to browser as in video. Now open the extension. You can see the extension is linked to Facebook Appeals category. Step 1. Enter your business portfolio ID in the first box. Then enter your personal page link in the second box. Note you must be an administrator of BM. In step 3, paste the text I have prepared for you. Note, edit according to your information. Finally, add the image of the business registration certificate that I told you to prepare at the beginning of the video. Click Send. Now, wait for about 4 to 5 hours. Then go back to BM. You will see your BM has been verified successfully. Note, if it fails, please try again after 1 to 2 hours. This process will be successful. During this process, please do not use other extensions to avoid conflicts. You can see my BM has been verified successfully. Master the Meta's video tutorial on how to business verification request.